Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome back to my channel, where I break down tech and app tutorials to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that might save you some hassle: how to cancel an order on Mercari in 2025. Mercari is a fantastic platform for buying and selling, but we all make mistakes or change our minds sometimes. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step in a quick and straightforward way. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mercari account on the app or website. If you're on the app, which is super user-friendly, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Orders section. This is where all your active purchases and sales are listed. Now, find the specific order you want to cancel. Tap on it to open the details page. Look for the Cancel Order button. It's usually right there, but remember, you can only do this if the order hasn't shipped yet. If it has, you might need to contact support instead. Assuming it's cancelable, hit that button and follow the prompts. Mercari will ask you to confirm why you're canceling. Select the reason from the drop-down menu, like "changed my mind" or "wrong item selected." After that, review the cancellation details and tap Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. And just like that, you're done. One quick tip: if the seller has already shipped the item, cancellation might not be possible, so always check the order status first. In 2025, Mercari has made this process even smoother with updated interfaces, so it should take you less than a minute. If you run into any issues, Mercari's help center is packed with resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep shopping smart. See you next time.